Here we're standing in front of our newest Sharp All-in-One. This is based on our latest EC series. It's a flip chip CoB product which is very efficient. It is cool to the touch, so you're not getting any heat to it, and it's very durable. That makes it easy also for installation. In the All-in-One we will have the columns pre-assembled to have an easy installation, and controlling, which is based on our M series and P series professional display lineup. We also have the same remote control. We will also have the same OSD, so the same usability. Also, we are taking the same input connectivity. So we're talking about USB-C, HDMI, DisplayPort, also the control side is the same. So in the end, we have the same usability. Also, the remote controllability through our own Naviset system can be done with the All-in-One on LED side. This also means we can use the same computing, so either with SDM or Raspberry Pi. Our All-in-One has a power unit inside of the control block which controls the power for the whole wall. It will sequentially turn on the different columns to actually cover the inrush current to securely turn on the wall with just one power plug. So that means we have one power plug for 108-inch, but we also have only one power plug for 162-inch because it is sequentially started.